War day number 931. 931 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. It's Wednesday, September the 11th. 2024, 9/11, yeah. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. In this additional, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Alright, the first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku. Well, it's not quite a 3 stars. But first of all, this one will be number 9, 4, correction, 9 to, I believe, 9 to 5 2. 9 to 5, I believe 5 3. Let me check. Is it a 5 3 or 5 2? 5 2, yeah. 9 to 5 2. 9 to 5 2. Why it's not a 3 stars? Because this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. Alright, let me see which number can I pick. How about we have 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright, and now 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. The 4 here or there. Okay. Alright. Then let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay, Need an 8 here. Do we have a pair? 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Interesting, interesting. Then. 1, 1. 1, 1. Come on. 1, 5, and then 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. 7, 8, 6, 4. How about 9, 9 here. And the 2 there. Come on. No 9 here. 9. 2. Come on. 8, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers 5. We have 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be here. Need a 5. Okay, we have a pair, I believe. The 2 and the 5 in the last column. The 2 and the 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here. Oh, there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 1 and a 9. And here also 1 and a 9. Well, then 9. 1, 9 and the 8. I need the 8 here. How about the 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers 4. We have 4 in this row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this second column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 and a 9. Okay, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. Then, let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the second column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair here. That means in this row, the second row, those missing numbers in the second row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2. And the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left with 3 should be there. Then. 7. We have an 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row, so third row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay, so here need a 2 and a 5 here. We have a 5 in the fifth column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 or a 5, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 or a 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 1. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and the 9 cannot fill this yet. The other 2 missing numbers in the second column are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Well, how about these 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers? The 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 or 5, we have a 5 now. So this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 7 or 5, we have a 7 there. So this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 30 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 30 minutes. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.